Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for Complete Beginners. Today we're going to learn how to create a website using only HTML language. As you can see inside, we created a website and the output looks like this. As we can see, it's an welcome to my website. This simple website created using only HTML. There is no CSS and no JavaScript and only a simple HTML creating website. So how you make this inside today's video we're going to show you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see now, if we go for the output, as you can see there is nothing. And now into this inside, into the Sublime text there is nothing also. So how are you going to make this possible? Today's video I'm going to show you. So before that, here we just need to type over here HTML, going to click on enter. And after that we will get the structure, and into the structure section we're going to add a title, and the title will be my simple website. And then we will going to come over into the body section. And now if we just save it, and now if we come over into our website, as we can see the title has been setted. And now we will going to add header section, paragraph section. So for that we will going to come over into the body tag. And then here we're going to type over here h1 tag, and here we're going to type welcome to my website, and we're going to save it. And after that, if we just refresh it, as you can see, we added the header into our website. After that, we're going to add a paragraph tag, and into the paragraph tag, we're going to write this is a simple website created using only HTML. As you can see into our website, if we refresh it, oh, we didn't save it. So if we save it and if we refresh it over here like this, as you can see into the header section, we type the paragraph section called this is a simple website created using only HTML. And after that, we're going to add H2 or header 2 section. It's called about. And now if we save it, and now if we come over into the browser, as you can see, we added second header called about. And into the about section, we're going to give our details by using paragraph tag. As you can see, we wrote over here, this website does not use CSS, just plain HTML elements. So we give this information with the paragraph tag, and as you can see into our website, it will looks like this. After that, we're going to add a new contact section over here. If we save it right now, and if we just show it into our website, as you can see now we added the contact heading in our website, and into the contact headings we'll give the name and the email address. So and then we're going to add the paragraph tag into our email address over here, as we can see into the email, and we're going to save it. And after if you come over into this website, as you can see we added the email address over here like this. So after that we're going to add my phone number, and as you can see I added the phone number over here, just created now the phone number, as you can see. So if we now save it, and now if we open it over here like this, as you can see right now we added the phone number into our contact headings. And then we're going to add links. For that we're going to save it, and if we just scroll down a little bit, as you can see we created a links headings, and now we're going to link with the Google and the Wikipedia. For that we're going to type over here Google, and we're going to copy this. So for that, before that we just need to give into the URL tag we need to give li tag. So for that we're going to give li tag, and into the li tag we're going to type over here ahref, and into the ahref we're going to give this link over here. So we're going to copy the link, and then we're going to paste it over here like this. The link we're going to type over here Wikipedia, and that's it. We're going to save it right now. And now if we just come over into our website and refresh it, as we can see we rightly build up the website that we created, and we didn't use any CSS. So you can see that we created a website by using only HTML. As you can see, if we just click over into this Google, it will rightly open the Google over here. Or if we just click on the Wikipedia, it will created the link that we gave Wikipedia. It will rightly open the Wikipedia over here like this. So as you can see, we rightly created a website by using HTML. In the next lesson, I'm going to learn you how you can use the CSS and make this website more beautiful. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.